How to play Fortnite on a mobile device. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily play Fortnite on a mobile, whether it's Android or iPhone. It's pretty easy. So the first thing you're going to have to do is download this app called Epic Game Launcher or Epic Game Store. So you can go to Play Store and try to search for it, or App Store. Just go ahead and search for Epic Games. And once you hit enter, you won't be able to find it. So what you need to do instead is go to your web browser, go to search bar and simply search for Epic Games, download, hit enter, click on the first link, and you can go to the store.epicgames.com. Now from here you can easily download the Epic Games Store. So just tap on it and then tap on install at the top right. Once you install it, you can go to Epic Game Store right here, and then tap on the search bar once you log in and simply search for Fortnite. Click on the first option. As you can see here, Fortnite is completely free, so just tap on this download button and it will start downloading Fortnite on your device, and then you can easily start playing. That's basically how you can play Fortnite on a mobile device. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.